So let's go ahead and create an application within a browser. And we're going to show today two browsers, Chrome and Edge. So let's go ahead and jump right to it. So here we have a Chrome browser. So how do you create a quote unquote application? Basically, let's define what an application is. Inside of a browser, you have these tabs that go along across the top, right? So that's just your typical browser, but we can create a shortcut that then becomes more like an application. So let's go ahead and do that. I'm going to show you. I think it'll make more sense here. So here inside of Chrome, let's say that I wanted to save my ecobee or ecobee homepage here so I can see my stuff. I'd click right here on the three dots, okay, the ellipsis there, and I'd say More Tools, Create a Shortcut. And when I say create a shortcut, now it's going to ask me to name it. And we're going to say name it, and I want to open it as a window. We just hit create. Now you can see here the application, I use that word very lightly, this application has been created. Note that there's no tabs, right? So where in a browser, you're going to see tabs like so, right? See the tabs along the top. Inside of this quote unquote application that Chrome creates, we won't see any tabs. The other nice thing is you can then place this on your desktop, on your toolbar down below, whatever it is, so you can have quick access. So that's the one that we do with Chrome. Now let's look and see how Microsoft Edge does on this. So here, we're just going to go ahead and do the same thing with Microsoft Edge. So let's go ahead and click on here. And instead in Microsoft Edge, it's not More Tools like it was. It's not these right here like it is in Chrome. It's right here under Apps. And you want to just say Manage Apps. And you can see all of the ones that I've already created. Now I happen, let's just go ahead and create this one. Manage Apps. And we can go ahead and say, oh, ecobee. Okay, so I want to get rid of that one because I want to create it. So that's how you get rid of things within, your custom apps. But here, let's go ahead and open this back up again and go to ecobee and actually save this app. So it's going ahead and opening. And we want to actually, instead of doing that, let's just go directly to ecobee. And we're going to sign in, and let's just save this page. So we're just going to click on the ellipsis again, hit apps, say install this site as an app. We're going to go ahead and say that. Smart thermostats, great. Hit install. Now, when that installs, you're going to see here again. Now this one happens to have the browser windows here on the left-hand side, the tabs. But notice here that this quote-unquote application now is just here. There's no tabs, there's no browser, nothing of that nature. So it's all self-contained. So that's kind of how you create these customized quote-unquote applications. And then I can take that application again and put it on my toolbar, do whatever I want, leave it on my desktop. It just makes it easier to get to. Now, let's say that you don't know what this is, right? It doesn't show you the URL, but you got to share it with somebody. Well, that's pretty easy. You just go to the ellipsis here and you say here, copy URL or open in Microsoft Edge. And then you see here, it gives you the exact URL. And you can do a similar function within Chrome as well.